I never expected any of that. I hate rust. What is up there, YouTube friends? Welcome back. I hope everyone's having a great day. It's sunny and warm here in Louisville, Kentucky. But I'm getting some stuff done to the foxbody, and let me show you what's going on with it now. I have been making some progress on her, progressively taking everything apart, that is. So, give you a little view there. There's not much left. Power brake booster. And I dread taking that out. But anyway, if you've seen the last video, you would have seen the rust I discovered. That's what I got going on. You wouldn't believe how much rust I got out of that. We'll go around here to the other side. The top is solid. It's got a little hole there. But you can see through that little window, without those tubes and the inner part of the shock tower, there is nothing holding that. The only thing holding that is right back there. This side here, not so bad. Right in this hole, you can see that is the inside the shock tower. It's intact. It's intact all the way up until you get to the front section. So one thing I learned about Foxes is that's supposed to go all the way down. But I took a vacuum and ran it up there and sucked out some rust. And didn't get very much. So I'll probably just rock that side the way it is. So the Scott Rod fabrication kit measures 11.5 by 5. So an 11.5 takes you end of shock tower to end of shock tower. 5 inches brings me up. It's right about here, which is plenty. So if I cut this out, I want to retain these factory holes. And I want to replace all that because that's the only way to fix this hole properly, because that is where the shock tower is gone. So pretty much we'll be getting whacked here, and then all this come out, and then the pieces weld in. I'm going to post a picture of that right here so you can see what it looks like. Something else I did, there's my trunk lid for the peeling clear coat, and there it is now. Put a smooth one on there. When I bought that, I was initially thinking about a Cobra wing or a Celine wing, but I don't want either one of those. Either gonna leave it this way or get a feature wing. And notice my LX black cherries, I took the cheese graters out. Anyway, I needed to see something come together. So tomorrow the engine goes to the machine shop finally. The transmission guy is picking up the AOD for a rebuild. I have 3 months until Ford takeover. We'll see how far I can get. I think I'll get pretty darn far. Once the frame is repaired, it'll be downhill from there, hopefully. But anyways, all I can think of right now. I appreciate you guys stopping by. And if you would, please give me a like. And thanks for watching.